life bus.
Every single morning I decide what kind of day is gonna find me. This is my choice, this is my moment. I step into joy like I already own it. No one gives it, no one takes it.
In campus now, so this is the bus I took. Anyways, what's very good. Final class for life. School is so big. Fuck off, see you.
This is my choice, this is my moment. I step into joy like I already own it. No one gives it, no one takes it. It lives in me, and I awaken it. My happiness is my choice. I embrace it fully. Joy flows freely into my life. I deserve to feel happy and at peace.
What's the difference between fruit and Monkey is in class with us. Our last class. Even if it's the big one. Caption one.
Nobody handed this to me.
Yeah, come in inside. Stop and down. Please, we did not plan it though. We did not. God knows. Welcome back. It's the final year. Final class for the final year. Our MYP package. Hi. So I collected my MYP package. I said about my MYP package. I'm finally beauty.